Good morning, students. Today's topic is statistics, exercise 14.2. So, this is your revision class. Already you done. Let's start. First question is the blood groups of 30 students of a class 8 are recorded as follows: A, B, O, AB. So like this way it is given all the blood groups. Now represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table. Which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? So, to make a frequency distribution table, first you write here, first column is blood group, this is blood group, then tally marks, then frequency or number of students. So, here 4 groups are there: A, B, O and AB. So, first you write A, B, O, AB, these 4 groups, and then you count. First group is A. So, how many A's are present in this question? How many A's are there? You have to count and cut like this way. With you can use pencil with cut A. Suppose A like this way, cut A. How many? 2, 3, 4 like this way. Count. So here and 9 A's are there. So 9A present. That means frequency is 9. So A is 9, and then you see how many B's are present here. How many B? And 6 B's are there. So write 6. O, then how many O's are present here? So 12 O groups are present. So frequency is 12, and then AB. Count AB. So 3 AB present in this question. So frequency of AB is 3. Okay, and about question, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? So, from the table we observe that most common blood group is say 9, 6, 12, 3. So, maximum is 12. 12 is maximum. So, most common is 12. Maximum, that is O group. And rarest blood group, that is minimum. So 9, 6, 12, 3, minimum is 3. Minimum 3, and 3 is AB group. This minimum 3 and 3 is from AB group. So rarest group is AB, and that is frequency is 3. Okay. So this is the question and this is frequency distribution table. Now next, see question number 2. The question is distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their place of residence in their place of work were found as follows. So 40 engineers distance place of residence to their place of work is given. 40 engineers distance from their workplace. Distance are given. Now construct a group frequency distribution table with class size 3 for the data given above, taking first interval 0 to 5. It is question given first interval 0 to 5. 5 is not included. What main features do you observe from this table representation? Okay. So we have to make a frequency distribution table, and first interval is given 0 to 5. 5 is not included. Okay. So first to make one distribution table. So distance in kilometer, then tally marks, then frequency, that is number of times. So it is given 0 to 5 first interval. So first interval is 0 to 5, then 5 to 10 because difference is 5, then 10 to 15, 15 to 20, so up to 30 to 35. Because see the question, 40 engineers distance from their workplace are given. So here maximum is 32 is there. So take up to 35. 30 to 32 we cannot take because 5 is difference. So all interval difference are same. So last interval is 30 to 35, and first interval it is given question, you have to take 0 to 5. Okay. Now you have to now count, see from 0 to 5, that means 5 is not included. That means included is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 0 to 4, how many numbers here present? So you count from given table. First is 5, 3, then 0 to 4. So 5 you cannot take from the first table, 3 you can take, then 10, 12, 7, 2 can take from 0 to 5, 9 cannot take, then 3, okay, then 2, then 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the frequency is 5 between 0 to 5. Like this way you can count. And next one is 5 to 10. That means you have to see between 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 10 is not included. So 5 to 9. So 5, start from 5. So 5, then 5 to 9, 7 also can take for second group. So 5 to 9, 9 also there, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 6, 6, okay, 7, 7, 6, okay. Total 11. So the frequency between the interval 5 to 10 is 11 because 10 is not included. So like this way you have to count within the interval how many numbers here present, and total it is given question 40 engineers distance from their workplace is given, and total frequency you check 40 is coming or not. So here 40 is coming, that means it is correct, it is okay. Now from the above table we observe that out of 40 engineers, that is 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 9, that is 36. 36, that 90% of the total engineers reside less than 20 km from their place of work. So up to 15 to 20, that is 9, and after that 20 to 25 kilometer distance, one engineers are there. So less than, that is up to 20 kilometer distance, that is less than 20 from their place of work, that is 36 engineers. Next, question number 3, same type question. The relative humidity of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows. The relative humidity in percentage is given, certain city for a month of 30 days. 30 days humidity is given, and you have to check, construct a group frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88. So class intervals are given starting from 84 to 86. And which month of or season do you think this data is about, and what is the range of this data? So group frequency distribution table for this given data. So first you make an frequency table. First, relative humidity, that is interval start from 84 to 86, it is given question 84 to 86, then 86 to 88, 88 to 90. Okay, so see the question, maximum is here 99.2 and minimum is 84.9. So maximum is 99.2, so you have to take up to 100. So start from 84 to 86, it is given question. So take 84 to 86 at first interval, then because of distance is difference is 2, 86 minus 84 is 2. So to make the same difference, 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92, like this way up to 98 to 100 up to take. And now you see between 84 to 86 how many numbers here present. You have to count and see. 98.6, 92, 97, 84. See, between 84 to 86, 84.9 is there, and so one only. And between 86 to 88, 86.5 is there. That means for first interval frequency is 1. So for the first interval frequency is 1, and for the second interval also frequency is 1. So like this way you have to see and count how many numbers are present between that interval, and you check total frequency. Here it is given 30, so 30 is coming or not. So total is 30, that means is okay, total is 30. Now here 3 questions are there. Construct a group frequency distribution table. Okay, it is a group frequency distribution table. Now which month or season do you think this data is about? So from the data we observe that relative humidity is high, because 99, 92, 93, 94. So humidity is high. So high humidity, so data appears to be taken the rainy season, because we know rainy season humidity is high. And from the data we observe that highest relative humidity it is given 99.2%, and lowest it is given 84.9. So range equal to, we know, highest minus lowest, highest data minus lowest. So highest is 99.2 and lowest is 84.9. So range equal to, their difference is 14.3%. So that is the range of this data. So This type of question in this exercise, some numbers are given, you have to see and make a distribution table. The first, whatever given question, group frequency, first interval given question, then you write that interval and make the other interval like this way and find the frequency, that is number of times within this group present. Okay, so this exercise is very easy. Okay, from class 7 8 you are doing this type of question you done. Okay, so practice. If any doubt, any question, then you can ask in your live class. Okay, thank you.